Hello, so I wanted to record this video to basically break down exactly how you should be cold calling for maximum efficiency back to back, utilizing either your phone or Go High Level. I recommend that you use it on Go High Level. It records everything, it tracks everything, it gives you a call recording so you can hear back whether or not you had bad signal, etc., etc. So, yeah, this is exactly how you do it. So, you go to yellowpages.com. If you're calling US leads, you use yellowpages.com. If you're calling UK leads, you use yell.com. Dependent on time zone, make sure that you use the right one. Then when you go to the page, you type in the keyword for the niche and then the area. So right now it's 10 a.m. for the New York. So it's Monday, 10 a.m. prime time. So literally type in you just type in skincare, hair care, whatever the niche is, the keyword is, and then you simply go to this button, the filter button, and then you select the categories in here. So for this specific instance, skincare, beauty salons, day spas, hair removal, medical spas, massage therapists, nail salons, hair stylists, massage services, and cosmetologists. Apply the filters, and then bang, here we have numbers. Okay, so now for maximum efficiency, this is how I want you to structure your desktop. Okay, so that looks really weird. And then open up your notes, whatever your note taking app is. Just every desktop computer should have a notepad. So just open up the notes so that you can write down real quick whatever they say. Yeah, so this is how I want you to structure your desktop. You have the numbers here. As you can see, I can literally just see the number, call it, scroll down, see the number, call it, scroll down. And then I have Go High Level down here. So if I want to type in this number, I literally quickly +1 212 245 8123. And then I've got the script to my left or wherever. This is how I want your desktop to look. You've got the script right here, you've got the number up here, and then you've got the number down there. You click dial, and then you go ahead and call them up. My name's Jamie, and I'm going to be completely honest with you. This is a cold call. So, do you want to give me 25 seconds to hear me out or hang up now? Hey, okay, cool. So I found you guys on the Yellow Pages, and I have been helping dermatologists, plastic surgeons, hair care, skincare clinics to generate daily patients and appointments with this system. I'd be happy to show it to you if you're interested. Awesome, awesome, awesome. Thank you so much for giving me the time. The reason why I love this script is because by saying give me 25 seconds, it's just like you like well, okay, why not? Like, and also another thing is like if they don't, then they just hang up. Then you go about your day. You don't have to go through the pitch and be in the thing. And then when they say, okay, yeah, you can present, then you can actually speak without having to worry about them just hanging up on you mid sentence because they actually say that they want to hear from you. So let me do another. I'm on a roll now. +1. Okay, okay, that's perfectly fine. I really appreciate that. Do you know who would be a better person for me to speak to? Oh, you're working virtually. Okay. Do you have a number for this manager? Oh, okay. Oh, okay. I completely understand. Do they have an email? But yeah, that's literally the pattern. That's literally how you do it. Like, cool. If I can't speak to you, then who am I going to speak to? So let me just double check who that was. So I think that was. Let me just check here. 2 on 755. Yeah, it was this person. So and that's why I like Go High Level because it was showing me right here who the most recent call was. So, but yeah, you guys get the idea. This video is getting a bit long, but yeah, you just want to do this every day, get to 150, keep going, keep using the script, keep making tweaks and changes, based on what's comfortable for you. Thank you so much for watching this far. That means that this is obviously a priority for you. Go ahead and apply this, and yeah, see you in the next training.